Hi everyone, and thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. So in this one, I'm going to show you this beautiful KivyMD based chatbot, how it works and what all things a user can ask from this chatbot. That's what we will be covering in this video. Also, in the later section of this video, I'll show you the code which has been used for developing this whole chatbot. Okay, so stay tuned with me and let's dive into the tutorial without wasting any more time and check out the functionalities of this beautiful chatbot. So this is what the user will come across when he will first open the chatbot on his device. All right. So as you can see, there is a welcome message. All right. And here the user has to type his name. Okay. So let me type my name over here for now. Fine. So what the chatbot will do, it will save it at a specific place from where it is going to pick up later on when we'll ask him the relevant question. Okay, so let's see how that happens. But first of all, we have to click this button we have on the landing page over here. Let's chat. So this is where the user can talk to the chatbot. Now there are a couple of questions which we have defined in the backend over here. So I'm going to pick up these questions one by one. Right, so there is this function called response, okay, where we have defined some if control statements. Let's pick up this one first, hello, and see how the chatbot and with what the chatbot is going to respond. Hello, Gaurav Kumar Jain, what's up? Type chat for few features. Okay, let me type chat or else let me just copy it and paste it over here. So as you can see, for this chat, we have defined a response. So the chatbot is checking the input and then it is comparing the input with these if control statements, and based on the match, it is picking up the response and giving it over here to us on the front end. Right. So type Jordan game, type this, ask me about your or my name or your university. So let me do. पापा अगर आप बीच में बोलोगे तो कैसे होगा? So now we have three different things, three different options which the chatbot has given us. So let me type the first one, which is Jordan game. So I'm going to simply copy it from here and paste it on the chatbot's input box. So this is option number two I'm going with. Let's see how the chatbot is going to respond. So Starix University is a private university located in the village Binola, Gurgaon district, Haryana, India. So that's incredibly awesome. The kind of thing, the kind of way the chatbot is responding to the questions, it's really good. So if you want, you can customize the front end according to your requirements. If you want some other color schema, for example, at present you're seeing these orange boxes and green color boxes. If you want, you can change the complete look and feel of the chatbot. Right, and let me type Jordan game over here, and we are going to see welcome to Jordan game. Right, so yes, this is how the chatbot works. Right, and now we are going to check out the coding section. Let's see what all things has been used in the coding in the backend for developing this amazing chatbot. So as you guys know, it's KivyMD, which is a Python library, which can help you in creating mobile applications. That's what has been used in developing this chatbot also. Okay, and these are the libraries that we have imported. Okay, then we need to come down. This is a separate class that we have defined for response. There is a separate class that we have defined for command. Okay, and this is what the font name we have used over here. Right, then we have this Jordan chatbot named class, in which we have defined all the functions which are helping us in getting this beautiful front end. Right, so this is change screen, with which we are able to change the screen. Do you remember when we opened the app, there was a landing page, and when we clicked on let's chat, it redirected us to this particular page where we were able to communicate with the chatbot. So all that thing is happening with this because of this function over here. Then we have this bot name named function, right? And then we have this response named function, which we have already discussed in this lecture when I was communicating my things to the chatbot. So you can customize the questions also based on your requirement. And also if you want to connect this application with an external application through an API, that is also something you can do. Right, so everything is customizable over here. Right, based on your requirements you can modify the things and you can do the needful. So this is it from my side in this lecture. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you want the code of this application, you can ping me on my WhatsApp number. I'll be happy to share it with you. And also if you guys want me to develop applications like this for you, or if you want to develop applications like this and you don't know where to start from, you can contact me on the number which is getting reflected on your screen. I will be able to help you with all types of queries you have in your mind. Okay, that's it from my side in this lecture.